If you want to actually master your Ninja Crispi and stop eating boring meals, you need to use it for your weekly meal prep. Today, I'm showing you 5 essential recipes that will save you hours and taste better than takeout. Let's get cooking. Grab 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs and your spice rack favorites. Pat the chicken bone dry with paper towels. This is critical for that signature glass skin. Rub on garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and onion powder until they are fully coated. Place them skin side up in the Ninja Crispi. Air fry at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Let them rest for 5 minutes. This keeps all those juices trapped inside. For the starch, pack cold jasmine rice tightly into a square container and press down hard. Turn it out and slice into 1-inch cubes. Toss with sesame oil, soy, and garlic salt. Air fry at 400 for 15 minutes. Shake the basket halfway through until they sound like marbles. Combine it all for the ultimate crunch. High protein, maximum texture, and absolutely delicious. Check this out. No more mushy frozen broccoli ever again. The secret is simple. Preheat your air fryer empty at 400 degrees first. Toss those frozen florets with oil and spices fast. Do not let them thaw out yet. Dump them straight into that scorching hot basket. Air fry at 400 for 12 minutes. Look at that. The ice evaporates instantly, leaving you with nothing but crunch and flavor. Next up, my signature snack. These cheesy potato bites are a total game changer. Cube them small and toss with oil and paprika. We want every bite packed with flavor. Set it to 390 degrees for 15 minutes. We need them soft on the inside first. Now the best part. Sprinkle that cheddar and fry for 2 more minutes until bubbly. Time for breakfast. We are making granola in just 5 minutes in the air fryer. Mix your oats, almonds, syrup, and oil. Make sure every single oat is well coated. Spread it thin on some parchment paper. 5 to 7 minutes at 325 is all it takes. It will be soft while hot, but it turns shatter crisp as it cools down. Trust the process. Now we assemble. Divide your chicken, rice, and that perfect broccoli into 5 separate containers. Keep the potatoes and granola in smaller, separate tubs to make sure they stay crunchy all week. And there you go. High protein, high crunch, and 0 stress. You are ready for the week.